Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Maomao from the anime The Apothecary Diaries in Dress to Impress. So if you want to know how I recreate this look without VIP items or with only free items, you can just watch this video until the end. So first, let me show you the hair that I use for Maomao look. So these are all the hair that I use, but for this one I only use the bangs, and for the hair color we just use this green color in here for all of the hair, except the hair tie in here I'm using pink color. Now let's just make the outfits. Here I'm using this necklace right here for the accessory, and I'm going to also put on these earrings in a gold color, and then I'm going to use these earrings too, and here I'm going to adjust the position on Z to around 49 like this, and change the color to white and green like this. Okay. Now let's just head into the dressing room. First, I'm going to put on this skirt from the witch set and change the color to this colors in here in a light silk. And for the lace, I'm going to change the color also to the pink color like this. This is the hex code that I use. And now for the next item, I'm going to use the items for the glitter chest. First, I'm going to use this skirt. Use the same pink color for the first one, and the lace I'm going to use white like this. And now let's go to the top and use this kimono right here. For the first color, you can use this pink color in here. This is the hex code, and use the same material. Now for the second one, use this green color. Sorry, still on a pink one. Third one in here, use this green color. Here's the hex code for the green one. And for the next one, use this darker pink color like this. And for the next one, I'm going to use this color in here. Still on the color update, use this top. First color, this pink one in light silk, and the next one, use this green color for the details. Then I'm going to also put on item from the Valentine update, this one. So it's into only ribbon. Now for the ribbon, use this green color. And then I'm going to go back into the currency item and put on this sleeves. First color being light silk, and the details just use all in green color like this. And now this is the final look for Maomao in DTI. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.